Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's hair vlog, yes, I'm going to be showing you my simple wash hair routine. Yes, we are going to be prepooing, shampooing, conditioning and protective styling. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I started by adding half a cup of flax seeds into my saucepan, and then added 3 cups of water and then let it to a rolling boil. When it comes to nurturing and promoting healthy hair growth, nature often provides the best solutions. One such natural powerhouse is flax seeds. With its rich nutrient profile, flaxseed has become a go-to ingredient for enhancing hair growth. So these are the benefits of hair growth. They include promoting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and improving scalp health due to its rich omega-3 fatty acids content. These essential fats help to nourish the hair follicles, promoting stronger and shinier hair. So by including flax seeds in your diet or using flaxseed oil, you can support your hair's natural growth process. So when you're done boiling your flax seeds, it's advisable to strain it when it is still hot, because it gets thicker and thicker as it cools. So when you strain it when it is still hot, it will be easy for you. So after straining, I'm going to be transferring the flaxseed gel into my applicator bottles. So if you have a funnel, use it, but I didn't have it, so I decided to use papers. So I'm going to be applying this to my hair as a prepoo. So I sectioned my hair into 4 sections for easy application, and then I start with water. So I spray water in my hair, and then I go in with the flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce scalp inflammation, and this is a common cause of hair loss. By elevating inflammation and promoting a healthy scalp environment, flax seeds can help minimize hair thinning and loss. The benefits of flax seeds for hair extend to scalp health as well. Flax seeds help to balance the scalp's oil production, preventing dryness and flakiness. Regular use of flaxseed oil or applying flaxseed gel directly to the scalp can contribute to a healthier and more balanced scalp. Flax seeds are a rich source of protein, which is essential for strengthening hair strands. Including seeds in your diet can provide the protein needed to reinforce hair structure, making your hair less prone to breakage and damage. Flax seeds are excellent for hydration. The mucilage in flax seeds forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, which can be used as a natural hair moisturizer. So applying flaxseed gel to your hair can help lock in moisture, leaving your hair soft and hydrated. So the flaxseed gel can be used as a natural hair styling product or a deep conditioning treatment. You can also add essential oils to the gel for additional nourishment and fragrance. Can flax seeds help with dandruff? Yes, flax seeds can help with dandruff due to their moisturizing properties. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help to maintain a healthy scalp and prevent dryness, which can reduce dandruff. Additionally, flaxseed oil's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated skin on the scalp. Regular use of flaxseed oil or gel can lead to long-term improvements in scalp health and dandruff reduction. So how often should we use flax seeds on our hair? So using flaxseed oil or gel once or twice a week can be beneficial. So apply it to your scalp and hair and leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it out. So this routine can help improve hair health over time. For the best results, use a mild shampoo to ensure all the oil is completely removed from your hair. Adjust the frequency based on your hair type and needs. So some may benefit from more frequent use, while others may find less frequent applications sufficient. So I'm covering my hair with a plastic bag and also a scarf, and then I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So you can also sit under a dryer for 15 minutes. Yes, and then wash it out. I'm going to thank all of you for watching up to now. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do hair tutorials, hair care maintenance, specifically natural hair. Yes, makeup tutorials, a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe, tap on the notification so that you do not miss out on any video. So I hope you can see the shrinkage, but my hair looks really very soft. So I am just washing out the flaxseed gel with water, and then I'm going to go in with a shampoo. Use a shampoo of your choice, the shampoo that works for you. So I am using Garnier Orthodox Avocado shampoo, and then scalp massage. So you can use your fingers to massage your scalp, or use a scalp brush. So the one I'm using, I got it from Shein. So I'm rinsing out the shampoo, and then I'm also going to go in with another round of shampoo. Yeah, one thing about my fussy hair is that it loves water. That is one thing I know for sure. So I'm going to go in with the conditioner. I'm using Cantu conditioner. Feel free to use any conditioner that works best for you. So when I apply the conditioner, I also make sure that I detangle my hair. So you can go in sections, but my hair is short, it is manageable. Yes, so if your hair is longer and thicker, you can work in sections for easy management. So that is my wash routine. for today. You can see how clean my scalp is. So I'm going in with the oils. This is black seed and henna oil, and also Jamaican black castor oil. I mix them all together in my applicator bottle. So I prefer to apply the oil while still in the shower. So when I'm done oiling, I'm just covering with a towel. Don't use your normal towel because it is harsh on your hair. So this is how I moisturize my hair after. So I'm going in with Garnier Ultradox Almond leave-in conditioner. Feel free to use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Feel free to use any hair butter of your choice. So I'm adding leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm also going to be adding Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp in my hair, and also Palmer's conditioning cream. Yes, and after I am going to be doing cornrows. That is the protective hairstyle of the week. So I'm going to be cornrowing my hair as it is. I am on a no heat journey. Yes, so those are the cornrows, or that is the hairstyle that I decided to do. I also posted a detailed tutorial. If you want to see how I managed to do these cornrows, please check them out. Yes, I'm also going to be leaving the link of the cornrows in the description box. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.